What's up everyone? In this video I'm gonna show you how to install the latest version of PHP on Windows operating system and run PHP programs on our console. So let's get started. To install it, open your browser and search for it by typing in PHP download for Windows and hit enter. Here click the first link from php.net. This takes you to the official site of PHP. I'm gonna put this link on the description of the video so that you can simply click on it and navigate through the site. Here you can see the latest version of PHP. Now go all the way down here and you can see that we have the non-trace safe and trace safe options. So go for the trace safe option and click on this zip file. This starts downloading the file. Once the download is finished, click on open folder here. Now right click on the zip file and click on extract all. Click on extract and the file is going to be extracted. Once the extraction is completed, you can see all these files and folders. Now go one step back and here you have the extracted folder. Now right click on the folder and rename it as PHP with its version number. Now cut this folder and paste it inside the C drive. Now open the folder and from here copy the path and set the environment variables for PHP. So go to your taskbar and type in environment variables and open it. Click on environment variables and here click on path, then edit and click on new and paste the path that we copied. Now click on OK, again OK and OK. Now let's check if we have installed PHP correctly. For this, go to your taskbar and type in cmd to open command prompt. Here type in php space -- version and hit enter. You can see here that the PHP is correctly installed in our system. Now let's see how we can create and interact with PHP programs. So let's first create a folder on our desktop and name it PHP projects. Open the folder and create text document and then name it, let's say, hello.php. Now change the file to .php by going up here to view, then show and click on file name extensions. Now open this file on Notepad and let's write a simple PHP program. So open and close this PHP program marks and inside it type in echo hello world and save it. Now go to the file path or directory and type in cmd. Here type in php, then the name of our file, which is hello.php, and hit enter. So you can see that it outputs hello world correctly. Alright, so this is how you can easily install the latest version of PHP on Windows and interact with PHP programs. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.